So that's last year's Stipa stems, which I leave on. Just been up there and breaking them off, because the Stipa is a nice sort of feature in this big bed, really. Excuse the green bag. And you can see that already the new growth Stipa gigantea is coming through beautifully. And again, it's another habitat, and for the first time this year we've seen slow worms up here under this concrete where we've been removing the big apple mint. So these will now go in under a hedge somewhere to be used. And the other thing is, I don't know if you can see, but the broken stems now leave a cavity. So, you know, you never know what might use that cavity, which is perfect. Anyway, good fun.